If you want to get best hair clips according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have Fram AR Pastel Alligator Hair Clips. The Fram AR Pastel Alligator Hair Clips are a game changer when it comes to hairstyling. As an expert in the field, I can confidently say that these clips are a must-have for any hair professional or enthusiast. First and foremost, the design of these clips is absolutely adorable. The pastel colors add a fun and playful touch to any hairstyle, making them a great accessory for both everyday looks and special occasions. Not only do they look cute, but they also have a sturdy build, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. One of the standout features of these clips is their functionality. The alligator-style design allows for a secure grip, keeping even the thickest or slippiest of hair in place. Whether you're sectioning your hair for precision cutting or styling intricate updos, these clips provide excellent hold without causing any discomfort. Another aspect that sets these clips apart is their versatility. They come in a pack of 10, offering a variety of colors to choose from. This means you can mix and match them to create unique and eye-catching styles. Additionally, the clips are lightweight and easy to use, making them suitable for both professionals and beginners. Furthermore, the Fram AR Pastel Alligator Hair Clips are made of high-quality materials that are gentle on the hair. The smooth surface and rounded teeth minimize any pulling or snagging, reducing the risk of damage or breakage. This is particularly important for individuals with delicate or easily damaged hair. In conclusion, the Fram AR Pastel Alligator Hair Clips are a fantastic addition to any hairstylist toolkit or for anyone who loves experimenting with different hairstyles. Their cute design, reliable grip, versatility, and hair-friendly construction make them a standout choice in the market. Whether you're a professional or a casual user, these clips will undoubtedly enhance your hairstyling experience. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Matte Holly No Bend Hair Clips. The Matte Holly No Bend Hair Clips have quickly become a favorite among professionals and individuals alike for their innovative design and exceptional performance. First and foremost, the standout feature of these clips is their no-bend inch design. Unlike traditional hair clips that can leave unwanted creases or bends in the hair, the Matte Holly No Bend Hair Clips are specifically engineered to prevent any indentation or mark, ensuring a flawless finish to your hairstyle. This is particularly advantageous when working with delicate or styled hair that requires precision and a seamless look. The quality of these clips is outstanding. They are made from durable materials that can withstand regular use without losing their shape or effectiveness. The sturdy construction ensures that the clips will securely hold the hair in place, whether you're styling an updo or simply sectioning it for blow drying or curling. This reliability makes them suitable for both personal use and professional salon settings. In addition to their functionality, these clips are also extremely comfortable to wear. They have a smooth surface and rounded edges, preventing any pulling or snagging of the hair. This is especially beneficial for those with fine or fragile hair that is prone to breakage. The lightweight design further adds to the overall comfort, allowing for extended use without any discomfort or strain. Another noteworthy aspect of the Matte Holly No Bend Hair Clips is their versatility. They come in a pack of multiple clips, providing ample options for different hair thicknesses and styles. Whether you have thin or thick hair, these clips can accommodate your needs, ensuring a secure and effective hold every time. In conclusion, the Matte Holly No Bend Hair Clips are a game changer in the world of hairstyling. Their innovative design prevents any bending or creasing of the hair, offering a flawless finish. The durability, comfort, and versatility of these clips make them an excellent choice for both professionals and individuals looking to achieve salon-quality results. If you're seeking hair clips that deliver exceptional performance without compromising on style and comfort, the Matte Holly No Bend Hair Clips are a must-have addition to your hairstyling arsenal. The number 3 position is held by Ossabili Hair Claw Clips. The Ossabili Hair Claw Clips has gained significant popularity among individuals seeking a reliable and stylish accessory for their hair. First and foremost, the Ossabili Hair Claw Clips are known for their impressive hold. The sturdy and durable design ensures a secure grip, making them ideal for various hair types and styles. Whether you have thick, long, or fine hair, these claw clips can handle it all. The teeth of the clips are designed to grip the hair firmly without causing any discomfort, ensuring that your hairstyle stays in place throughout the day. One of the standout features of these claw clips is their versatility. They come in a variety of sizes, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your needs. Whether you're looking to secure a small section of hair or create an elegant updo, these clips offer the flexibility to accommodate different styles and hair volumes. Additionally, the sleek and minimalist design of the Osabili hair claw clips makes them suitable for both casual and formal occasions, adding a touch of sophistication to any hairstyle. In terms of comfort, these claw clips excel. They are made from high-quality materials that are gentle on the hair, preventing any pulling or snagging. The smooth surface and rounded edges of the clips ensure a seamless and pain-free experience, making them suitable for all-day wear. Whether you're running errands or attending a special event, you can rely on the Osabili hair claw clips for comfort and style. Furthermore, these clips are designed to be durable and long-lasting. They are constructed with quality materials that can withstand regular use without losing their shape or functionality. This makes them a reliable accessory that you can depend on for months or even years, providing excellent value for your money. In conclusion, the Osabili hair claw clips are a fantastic choice for individuals seeking a reliable, versatile, and stylish hair accessory. With their strong hold, versatility in sizes, comfortable design, and durability, these clips are an excellent addition to any hair care routine. Whether you're looking to create a simple everyday look or an elaborate updo, the Osabili hair claw clips are sure to meet your hairstyling needs. Next, at number 4, we have Bantoid duckbill clips. The Bantoid duckbill clips has become a staple in the industry, offering exceptional functionality and versatility for both professionals and individuals at home. The Bantoid duckbill clips are designed with precision and attention to detail. The duckbill end shape allows for easy sectioning and securing of hair, making them ideal for a wide range of hairstyling techniques. Whether you're blow-drying, straightening, curling, or styling in intricate updos, these clips provide a secure grip that holds hair in place with ease. One of the notable features of these clips is their durability. Made from high-quality materials, they are built to withstand regular use without losing their shape or effectiveness. This ensures that the clips remain reliable and provide a long-lasting solution for hairstyling needs. Whether you're a professional hairstylist or an individual looking to achieve salon-quality results at home, the Bantoid duckbill clips are up to the task. These clips are also incredibly versatile. They come in a pack of multiple clips, offering a variety of colors to choose from. This allows for easy color coding or mixing and matching, making them perfect for sectioning and organizing hair during intricate styling processes. Additionally, the lightweight design of the Bantoid duckbill clips ensures that they are comfortable to use for extended periods, minimizing any strain or discomfort. Furthermore, these clips are gentle on the hair. The smooth surface and rounded edges prevent any pulling or snagging, reducing the risk of damage or breakage. This is particularly important for individuals with delicate or easily damaged hair, as it ensures that the clips provide a secure hold without causing any harm. In conclusion, the Bantoid duckbill clips are a fantastic addition to any hairstyling toolkit. Their precision design, durability, versatility, and hair-friendly construction make them a top choice for professionals and individuals alike. Whether you're looking to achieve precise sectioning, secure a particular style, or simply keep hair out of the way during styling, these clips deliver excellent performance. With the Bantoid duckbill clips, you can confidently create beautiful hairstyles with ease and precision. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Amike hair clips. The Amike hair clips has gained recognition for their exceptional quality and performance, making them a go-to choice for professionals and individuals alike. The Amike hair clips are designed with precision and functionality in mind. These alligator-style clips feature a strong grip that securely holds hair in place, making them ideal for various hairstyling techniques. Whether you're sectioning hair for precision cutting, styling intricate updos, or simply creating everyday hairstyles, these clips offer reliable hold and control. One of the standout features of these clips is their durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, they are built to withstand regular use without losing their shape or effectiveness. This ensures that the clips remain reliable over time, providing long-lasting performance and value for your investment. Whether you're a professional stylist working in a salon or an individual styling your hair at home, you can depend on the Amike hair clips for consistent results. In addition to their durability, these clips are versatility. They come in a pack with multiple clips, providing ample options for different hair thicknesses and styles. This versatility allows you to easily handle various hair textures and create a wide range of hairstyles. Whether you have thick, thinning, or medium hair. The A-Mic hair clips can accommodate your needs, making them suitable for a diverse range of individuals. Comfort is another key aspect of these clips. The smooth surface and rounded edges of the A-Mic hair clips ensure a gentle and pain-free experience. They glide smoothly through the hair without pulling or snagging, minimizing any discomfort or damage. This feature is particularly important for individuals with delicate or easily damaged hair, as it helps maintain the hair's health and integrity. In conclusion, the A-Mic hair clips are a top-notch choice for hairstyling needs. Their strong grip, durability, versatility, and comfort make them a reliable accessory for professionals and individuals seeking salon-quality results. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or someone looking to achieve stylish and well-controlled hair at home, the A-Mic hair clips are an excellent addition to your hairstyling toolkit. With their exceptional performance, these clips will help you achieve beautiful and professional-looking hairstyles with ease. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.